In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can disable efficiency mode in Google Chrome. So let's get started. Locate your Google Chrome desktop icon, make a right click and then select Properties. Then here in the target, okay, so for the target, I have pasted this command, disable features and this text. So all you have to do is you need to copy this. This will be posted in the description section of this video. And what you can do is at the end of the text for the target that should be ended with a closing quotation marks. You need to put a space and then paste the text that I'm going to share in the description. Click on apply and click on OK. Now let's open Google Chrome and type Chrome colon version. Okay, this one, Chrome colon // version. And here you can see that that is disabled. Okay, so that's it. And Chrome will perform better this time. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.